Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about Ali Abdul goal, how you can track your goal in this new year like him. I'm going to explain it all it here and the link is in the description of the Notion. So let's get started.
अभी हम देख लेंगे how you can do this in motion. What I'm telling about is when you open your motion, this is the anti-waste man system which is built by Ali Abdul. So the steps are very simple here. For example, let's say what is our dream. Here we are building like a 20k YouTube community that I'm proud of. That's because it's what I want to do. It's one of my goals. So why it's fun to me, it's exploring myself, it's a zeal, and like what next is to me is my YouTube community. It's my learning prospect. So I need to do compulsory. What is the SMART goal? So here is an example of what was drafted completely by, like, he's doing a book, always want to write a book. If it's good, more opportunities will unlock it to him, things like that. So first draft completed by this thing. So it's like a SMART goal, how you are doing it. So what is my SMART goal? I want to do complete, give a date, let's say 2 videos per week. Update, edit. So that's one of my things I need to do. So what is the habit? 2 hours every day from 9 to 11. So how surprising would you be? For example, if I'm asking like how surprised you would feel if you fail between 1 to 10, I would feel like 7, because one means one in the scale of 1 to 10, which means 1 means you are not surprised, 10 means you are so much surprised. I'm giving it a 7 because it might be the best thing, because I will work and improve myself in this 1 year. What are the top 3 reasons? Laziness, procrastination, it's my laziness, procrastination, and what others? Fear. These are the 3 things that kept me from failing. So I need to who can help? My brother Fibers and my friend Sandeep. So how can I stack the deck to success? So like in this example, what are the measures you need to do this so you can succeed always? Give priority to videos and learn more, do more. So how can I stack to success? Like, it's a damn sure thing that I need to do. For example, what are things that I'm fearing? Laziness, procrastination, fear. Don't think much and plan before. Ideas and scripts. These are the things. So what's the action I will do? The one action I can do is like not doing unimportant things in the given time, which is like blocking time in calendar. So this is my goals, like what my dream of 20k YouTube community. So this is how I want to do it. So if it helps you guys, that is so helpful. Like, if it helps you guys, that's what this video is about. So thank you so much. Thank you, Ali Abdul.